Hey guys, nowadays everywhere when you look at the videos of red velvet cake, they are using food color. So here I am going to make this cake healthy without any food color. You can give it to your kids also. For this you have to take 1/3 cup of curd, add pinch of baking soda and half tablespoon of baking powder. Mix everything and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now steam one medium size beetroot. Take into a jar, add half cup of sugar and grind it to a paste. Now here you can see bubbles has formed in the curd mixture. So that means our sodas got activated. Now you have to strain the beetroot and sugar paste so that there should not be any ungrinded beetroot pieces left over. So strain it nicely. This straining is mandatory. Now mix everything. At this stage I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. You can even add ghee or any unflavored refined oil. Mix everything nicely and add 1.5 cup of maida flour. So sometimes we have to compromise on wheat flour, because if you make this cake with the wheat flour, it won't be as tasty as if you are using maida. So better you use maida for red velvet cake. For chocolatey flavor I have added 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is mandatory, it will enhance the taste of the cake. Now mix everything and check for the consistency. Here you can see our batter is too thick. So to make it thin, I am going to add some milk. Here I have taken half cup of milk. Add little by little and check for the consistency. It should be of watery consistency. It should not be too thick since we are using maida. If you are making it with wheat flour, this is the perfect consistency, so no need of adding milk. So for making cakes with maida, you have to add the milk and make it ribbon consistency. So mix the batter without any lumps. This is the perfect consistency. Now grease the cake tin with some oil or ghee. Sprinkle some flour so that our cake will get removed easily without any difficulty. Now add the cake batter into the tin. Meanwhile you have to preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Already I have did it. So now arrange the batter and tap it nicely so that there should not be any air bubbles. Now place the tin in the oven and bake at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes I am inserting the toothpick. Here our toothpick is too clear, that means our cake is cooked very well. Now enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you.